Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. In this video, I will explain all the essential details from episode 2 of the Falcon and the Winter Soldier series. I am gonna review and break down this episode too. So to know all the details about it, please watch the video till the end. Also don't forget that this video is available in English, Hindi and Marathi language. So go through channel's playlist section to watch this video in your preferred language. If you still didn't subscribe to MDCZ yet, then please hit the subscribe button of the MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start this video. The second episode was super awesome, just as I expected it to be. There is a short action sequence which is pretty awesome. This time they have shown us how the leading members of the Flag Smashers got their super strength. Just like I told you in my last video, we have seen more backstory of John Walker, who is now a new Captain America. I will keep this breakdown as short as possible because I know you guys don't like to watch more extended breakdowns. There's a lot more to talk about this episode, so let's start this breakdown. The show begins with showing us the short backstory of John Walker. I know lots of fans hate him so much, even I tried to accept him, but frankly speaking, I can't. He is not a bad guy, he is an outstanding soldier and utterly devoted to his work. But the problem is, he is not like our Steve Rogers. He is more like a puppet for the government whom the government can easily manipulate. He isn't gonna be a villain in this show. According to my thinking, there are two possibilities of what will happen to Captain America at the end of the series. I'll explain at the end of this video. When Bucky found out about this, he was mad at Sam. He met Sam and asked him about that. But as I told you in my last video, even if Sam wanted to do something about it, he couldn't do that because he is busy dealing with the Flag Smashers. Then Bucky also joined him for this mission. Both of them checked out what Flag Smashers are doing and they tried to stop them. But Karli Morgenthau, whom first they thought was a hostage, attacked Bucky. Karli is the leader of the Flag Smashers group. Unfortunately, then John Walker means new Captain America and his partner Lemma Hoskins aka Battlestar arrived and joined Sam and Bucky in this fight. But they all failed to stop them. Right now, I'm trying so hard to call John as a new Captain America, but I can't. It's not coming from my heart. Later, Sam and Bucky find out that John arrived there by tracking Sam. They are not there because of Flag Smashers. Then John offered Sam and Bucky to join him and work as a team, but both of them rejected that offer. Because John and Lemma are working for the government and without consulting with them, they can't take any actions. In short, we can say that they are government's puppet. Sam and Bucky can't work like that. That's why they joined the Team Cap in Civil War also. Then Bucky and Sam went to meet Isaiah. If you don't know who Isaiah is, then let me tell you guys that decades ago Isaiah was a black Captain America. Isaiah Bradley was one of the 300 African Americans who were used as a test subject for an experiment. They were trying to recreate super soldier serum and Isaiah was the only one who survived it. But the government locked him up and hid him from the world so they can run tests on him to find out a working super soldier serum. They locked him up for 30 years. That guy for 30 years suffered a lot. After the government, a Hydra also tortured him. Bucky knew him because when he was a Winter Soldier controlled by Hydra, the government sent Isaiah to beat him. Bucky and Sam wanted his help, but he suffered a lot. He don't wanted trouble again, so he has thrown them out from his home. Later, Bucky was arrested because he missed his therapy session. Later, John came and helped Bucky. John had some control over authorities, so that's why he decided to free Bucky. Before that, Bucky's therapist started a final release session with Bucky and Sam. In that session, after a funny staring contest between Bucky and Sam, Bucky kind of burst out why he was angry at Sam. Bucky didn't like how Sam gave up that shield like it doesn't matter to him. That's why they have some differences between them, which I think will be sorted out by the end of this series. John again offered them to join him, but Bucky and Sam rejected it again. This time John wants them to stay away from his way. See, I don't think that John will be bad, but he'll definitely be an obstacle for Sam and Bucky in their work. After that, Sam and Bucky decided to meet with Baron Zemo because he knew a lot about Hydra. Like I told you in my last video, they have introduced Zemo at the end of this episode. On the other hand, Karli Morgenthau is getting more support from the civilians because of what they have been working for. But we also saw that Karli was receiving some death threat from an unknown person. I don't know who that is, but I don't think so that it's Power Broker. According to the comics, Power Broker is the person who sells superpowers to the other peoples in exchange of 70% of their income they made using their abilities. At the end of this episode, we saw that Power Broker sent his men to catch the Flag Smashers. Now, let's talk about my short theory. The reason behind Power Broker's attack on Flag Smashers isn't disclosed yet, but I think Flag Smashers took Super Soldier serum from him and didn't pay him back what he wanted, or Flag Smashers stole Super Soldier serum from him. I think Power Broker gonna be a big bad of this series. And I also think that at the end of this series, John will find himself unworthy to be Captain America and hand over that shield to Sam and Bucky. Now, let me know what you guys think about this episode in the comment section below. If you love this breakdown, please hit the like and share it with other Marvel fans. If you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys. Just be safe, don't hurt anyone and be happy.